West Virginia Jobs Investment Trust, JIT, is the state of West Virginia's venture capital fund. We play a critical role in the economic development strategy of the state by providing early stage investments to startup companies. We do that to see jobs grow and also stimulate the economy. The majority of the businesses in the state of West Virginia are small businesses, and we believe that the future of West Virginia's economy is not just attracting big industrial players that want to come in. We're excited about them, we appreciate them, but we also believe that there's a lot of momentum around innovation and small business in the state, and that's what the Capital Access Program is all about.
Stone Tower started nearly 10 years ago, so July 2nd of 2024 will be our 10-year anniversary. Since then, we've expanded and launched our Stone Tower Brews brand, opened 3 additional stores in Buchanan, Bridgeport, and now Morgantown, and employ nearly 100 people throughout the entire company. So over the 10 years, we've worked with several different types of financing, but when it came time for our Morgantown expansion, our company was pretty well strapped for collateral. Through talking with Sean at Citizens of Weston, we were able to get in touch with Kevin with Partnership Capital and access the West Virginia Capital Access Program.
I'd actually met Stone Tower just as a customer. And then you get to know the people behind the bar. We started talking a little bit about, what I do for a career and just offering a kind of unsolicited advice until they actually called and said, hey, we really want to move, or we're looking to purchase this building.
We discussed what type of programs I have available, and we came up with the West Virginia Capital Access Program has collateral support that he could take as a lean position against it to really help just kind of put the whole puzzle together and be able to put this program to make the deal work for Stone Tower and to be able to open up their Morgantown office with the equipment financing that they needed.
Endolumic is a medical device company that makes medical devices for non-invasive surgery, and we use near-infrared light to make devices more visible and therefore safer during procedures. A mutual colleague of mine introduced me to Dr. Novazoka, and she's a phenomenal surgeon and had an idea for a medical device. So she and I decided to join forces and incorporate the company and start building it for real, and that's kind of when Endolumic was born. When I was working with West Virginia Jobs Investment Trust, their ability to help connect us to additional funding through the state of West Virginia was transformative in our fundraising efforts. So without the support and investment of West Virginia Jobs Investment Trust, there's no way Endolumic would be where we are today. We would not have been able to launch our first product in 2023. We would not have other exciting ones coming on the heels of that. And we would not be able to be engaging with and hiring in the West Virginia community the way we are.
Perhaps more now than ever, there is an incredible amount of momentum around entrepreneurship in the state of West Virginia. And when you look around, you see resource providers who believe in these new companies, and you see capital providers who believe in these new companies. So if you're a founder in the state of West Virginia and you're looking for a way to really scale up your company, West Virginia Jobs Investment Trust has these funds available as a participant in this program to help you take your next step.